Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So today we're learning about middle school AI course in code.org. So I found this course in middle school courses section. So if you want to learn about AI, you can actually go through that, and we're actually seeing the same in today's class. So yeah, let's get quickly started with this, and let's see what is AI, what is machine learning, and how it works and how to do things using that, right, in code.org. Okay, so we can actually. So yes, this is about AI and machine learning, right? So machine learning on the whole is just like giving more and more examples to your computer to learn from those examples. And if you give a new image or a new data, then it would actually predict what it is based on its learning, right? So AIs are always very much specific, so for whatever they have been designed, only that thing they can do. Okay. So yes, let's continue. Let's see what are the activities which are going to come up. And I am seeing this activity for the first time with you all guys. I am pretty much excited for this. Let's see what's going to be this. Okay. To identify fish or trash, let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. So it's basically saying some like it's building like a story around us and then doing something here, right? So garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you'll be programming or training AI to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. Okay, let's continue. This is our AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. Yes, we know this, right? So to program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. And let's get started, right? So we have to see the picture and we have to say if it is fish or not fish, right? Let's go. So this is not fish, not fish, not fish, fish, fish. And do you know 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean every year? Oh my God. You're programming or training AI with each click. Keep going. So not fish, not fish, fish, not fish, not fish, fish, yes, fish, not fish, not fish, fish. 80% of ocean pollution comes from land debris and is estimated to cost $13 billion per year. Oh my God. AI learns from your choices. If you make wrong choices, AI will repeat your mistakes. Keep training. Okay. So fish, fish, not fish, not fish, 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 not fish, fish, not fish, not fish, 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 fish. The more data you provide AI, the more it learns. Keep training AI or continue when ready. Okay. So it's like always a machine will be learning more efficiently when you give more data. Okay, so it's not like you give 10 or 12 images and that's it, right? It's not always like that, right? So you have to give more data, more and more data, so then it will learn easily from the patterns. It can identify more patterns, and it will be more accurate while predicting the result, right? So yes. So for whatever we are doing here is just like we are training the model, saying this is this and this is this, right? So with the patterns which it is seeing here, it will identify them and it will be able to predict. If you give a new image, and then it will be seeing or observing the patterns, and then it will see whether it is a fish or a not fish image, right? So the more number of images you give, the more it gets trained and the more it is efficient. Okay. So let's give 100 images in total, right? So let's keep training. Continue to train, continue to train, continue. So, and you have to be accurate while giving the data. So if you give the wrong data, definitely your AI will do the wrong thing, right? So we have to be very much accurate while doing things. So yeah, we're almost there. We reached 100, so we can continue. Okay. Now let's see if AI knows what a fish looks like. Analyze a random set of objects and label them based on your training now. Okay. Let's quickly see. Let's go. Run. See, it says fish. No, there is not. There is yes. 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 It says this also. Yes, our AIs can definitely do mistakes too. Okay. So they might not always be correct. Cool. Let's continue. Okay, so it is having a good amount of accuracy, we can say, because it is actually predicting fishes properly now. And but yeah, sometimes it also gives wrong results. So I think this AI has more than 90% accuracy. So yeah, let's continue to see what happens. Based on your training, here are some objects that AI identified as fish. How did AI do? Pretty well, right? Only one time it went wrong, but yeah, rest of the times it absolutely did well. Correct? Switch between objects identified as fish and not fish. Continue. So if you want, you can actually train more. Okay, so or you can continue. We already train 100 images. And if you want, you can train like 150, 200, any number of images. Okay. So far we train AI to identify objects as either fish or not fish, right? So what if this training data was used to decide what belonged in the water, right? Into other sea creatures. Like, does our training approach cause unintended consequences? This is something which we have to think because it only can identify fishes, right? And a very limited types of fishes we can say because all were very small and it doesn't really identify any other sea creature, correct? So yeah, let's see. See, these are sea creatures, but it's not allowing it into the ocean. Did your AI notice the identified some sea creatures as not fish? Yeah, definitely. Because it doesn't know it. It can't identify this pattern because it has not learned this, right? Like I told you in the beginning of the session, AIs can only do specific tasks which they are trained to do, right? So if you're not trained, okay. So while these sea creatures are not fish, they do belong in the water, right? And AI only learns what we teach it. Okay. Because artificial intelligence, right? So you have to train every single thing. Like we were trained for every single task we do today, same ways. Okay. So let's see what it has to offer. Okay, so let's teach AI to learn which objects should be in the water. Okay. So does this belong in the water is our task now. Okay. Does this belong in the water? No. Yes. 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 No. Plastic debris can harm fish, seabirds, marine mammals. Protecting seabirds and marine life is one of the many reasons to keep the oceans clean. Yes. So the more training data you provide, the more AI learns. Okay. Keep training, right? Yes. 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 No. No. I think this is jellyfish. I hope so it is. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Plastic pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, including 86% of all sea turtle species. Yes, we have to be careful, right? And we should not let it happen. It's in our hands. Keep training to teach AI what belongs in the water, right? So this doesn't belong. Yeah, 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 yes. So, yeah, 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 yeah. No, 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 no. The more data you provide AI, the better it will do. Training will continue when ready, right? So we again will do 100 images now, right? So yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, 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 no, yes, no, no, yes, no, no, yes, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. So let's say no, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, 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 no, no, yes, yes. Oh, oh, that was a misclick. No, yes, 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 no, yes. We have to be careful actually, right? No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it's more. All right. Let's give some and yes. Let's continue. Okay, so we have trained 105 images this time, right? So do you think AI will do a better job identifying what should be in water? Let's watch. Okay, let's run. Mm-hmm. Cool. This time it allows all the water creatures, right? Because we have trained the model in such a way, correct? So that is the power of AI. Actually, I shouldn't have given that bear thing, but I gave it, so it's actually doing the thing, okay? And there's nothing much we can do about it, right? But yeah, we have to be careful while training the data because whatever you give, AI just learns that because it doesn't know if it is right or wrong. So it just blindly follows your instructions, and that's it. Okay. So this is how it is. It is actually performing very, very well. It has the almost 100% accuracy so far. So yeah, this is about it. Let's continue. Based on our training, here are some objects that AI identified as belongs in water. How did AI do? Wow, absolutely cool and 100% result it gave, right? So whatever we have trained and it is actually working, right? Wow, we can interact with teachers. Cool. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what we have now. It's like how this AI works, right? Training data and what is biasing. So all these things we'll be learning now. Okay, so we can. So it's pretty much it, right? So it has to be very much accurate, right? And unbiased too, okay? So it shouldn't be like based on the person, or it shouldn't be based on a community or something like that, right? So it should be like unbiased. It should be applicable for all the people, okay? So and that's how you train your computer, okay? So it's all in your hands, right? So whatever the data you collect and give, it actually trains based on that data. And you, right? So what type of fish do you want to train AI to detect? Green, blue, red, triangular, circular, rectangular, all types, right? So artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to teach a computer new patterns. Let's teach AI a new word by showing it examples of that type of fish. Let's say green. Okay. So is this fish green? Not green. Not green. Not green. Not green. Not green. Not. Yes. Not. Yes. Do you think AI has enough training data? You can click to continue to find out. Okay. So not, not. Yes. Not. Yes. Not. 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 Yes. Not. 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 Yes. Not. Let's do it 50 now, right? Because it's okay. We know how does this work, right? Not. Not. We have so many not examples, but very less yes examples, right? This can create a bias. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Cool. Let's continue. With your training data, you have programmed AI to recognize green fish. Let's check. Let's see if it does. Hmm. Good. Cool. Cool. Perfect. It's working pretty much fine. And it actually has allowed all the green fish in. Cool. Based on your training, AI identified these fish as green. How did AI do? Wonderfully well, right? So you can train more if you want to improve the results, right? So you can also click on the info button to see what AI has learned. So these things, okay. So these are the most important fish parts: colors, body, mouth, dorsal fin, tail. You're not looking at these things much. You were only looking at colors, basically, right? And continue. Our model is working fine, so we can continue. Okay. So, and what is the impact on society with artificial intelligence, right? So, what is the social impact on society? Let's get to know about that right now. So, like we all know, every technology which comes in has both advantages and disadvantages, right? And if you're using it for good, it's always good. If you're using it for something not good, definitely that would cause drastic results. Yeah, right. Okay, so let's continue and finish this module of AI, basics of AI, we can say. So we're just introducing what is AI in this module, right? So now let's see if AI can learn a less obvious word. Mhm. Let's teach AI a word that depends on your opinion. It is up to you to pick fish that match your word. Maybe fun. So, okay, yeah, I think it is. Not, not. So, is it fair to use artificial intelligence to judge a fish by its looks? While AI might seem fair and neutral, its analysis comes from the training we provide. What unintended bias could this cause? So, yeah, let's say, okay, one, not, 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 not. I think it's smiling, but it is frowning. I myself am not sure. Okay, not. They all look so frustrated to me. Not, 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 not. Cool. Not, not, not. Okay, so let's do 50 again. Okay. So not, okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Not, okay, fun. Not, 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 yeah, not, and, okay, not. Okay, I think 50 are done and we can continue. So with your training data, you have programmed AI to recognize fun fish, right? Let's see, AI identify fun fish. Right. No, yeah, that was okay. Okay. It's having a lot of dilemma. Hmm. Okay. This AI is not that good. Oh my God. Yeah, it's not that. Okay. So, see, it has some wrong examples also. So, based on your training, we found out this. We can train more to improve the results, definitely. Right. Or if you want to choose a new word, you can absolutely choose and work on it. Okay. So, but yeah, for now, I'm finishing this task. Okay. But yes, always. So you can learn this from course catalog. If you want to learn more on middle school AI thing, you can get into it. And I think this was hour of code, and we only could learn this much. This is like the basics of AI. Right. I hope you enjoyed this session and it was very cool learning about AI and getting to know about it. Right. So this was all for today, guys. I will be meeting you all in the next session. Bye bye and have a great day, all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Bye bye.